Back in the city now as the cold temperatures begin to settle in, waiting on long lines outside of health clinics and urgent care centers will soon become unbearable. But legislation just introduced is hoping to bring outdoor heating to medical facilities. News 12's Michelle Ross explains.
The line outside City MD on Southern Boulevard with a 2.5-hour wait at one point Thursday.
It's an inconvenience to stand on line for hours to get tested in the cold.
Bronx Councilman Rafael Salamanca Jr. introducing legislation Thursday that would allow medical facilities to have portable heaters on the sidewalk to keep patients warm while waiting to be seen.
Especially for the older people and the younger people, it would make sense because, you know, it could just be a cold, but if it's not, and you know they're sitting here and they're getting worse, that could actually add to it.
Just up the block on Southern Boulevard is Urban Health Plan, where lines aren't as long because the facility is 90,000 square feet.
But even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes, when the weather is 20 degrees versus 50 degrees, it has an impact.
Salamanca says with COVID numbers rising and public schools closing, New Yorkers are being encouraged to get tested routinely, but they aren't going to if they're freezing.
We have to figure out how to make it convenient so that Bronxites can come and get tested. And passing this bill, which is a common sense bill, makes it convenient for Bronxites to get tested.
Many here hope it gets passed soon because it's only getting colder as we approach the winter months. In the Hunts Point section of the Bronx, Michelle Ross, News 12.